Hi, welcome back. I'm Roy Gershon from Check Point's Technical Marketing Engineering team. In this section, we'll review how Policy Auditor identifies unauthorized communication paths, validates policy enforcement, and simplifies violation analysis. The audit matrix provides a visual representation of the segmentation model and the communication paths defined between the configured network groups. Each row represents the source segment, while each column represents the destination segment. Policy Auditor evaluates the security policy and maps the existing rules against the expected communication model defined during the audit configuration. The number displayed in each cell represents the total number of rules that allow communication between the selected source and destination segments. This gives administrators immediate visibility into how connectivity is implemented across the environment. The yellow indicators represent detected violations. The number inside the yellow circle shows how many violations were identified for the specific communication path. These violations may indicate excessive access, unauthorized communication, or policy implementations that do not align with the intended segmentation design. Clicking on the arrow will open a drop-down menu with three options: all traffic is allowed, all traffic is not allowed, and decide later. By default, the matrix can display both rules and violations together, providing a complete view of policy implementation and segmentation compliance across the environment. When clicking on approved violations, each cell displays the total number of rules between the source and destination. The approved violations are indicated by a green checkmark. Cells highlighted in green indicate that the communication path complies with the defined segmentation requirements and that no violations were detected for that relationship. The configuration of each matrix cell can be modified at any time, allowing administrators to adjust communication requirements based on operational and security needs. Let's return to the Rules and Violations view to continue our analysis. In this example, the selected cell contains 6 matching rules and 3 detected violations, which are displayed in the table below. Here we can review the individual policy rules, including their sources, destinations, services, and configured actions. To approve a violation, select one or more relevant rules and click Approve Violation. Next, provide a justification for the approval, select the appropriate exception scope, and apply the change to update the audit configuration. Once approved, the violation is removed from the active violations list and moved to the approved violations section. To review a rule directly in the security policy, click Go to Rule. Policy Auditor automatically redirects you to the corresponding rule in the selected policy package. Before we conclude, let's review an additional capability that allows administrators to filter audit results by specific services. In this example, we'll use the remote desktop service. After applying the filter, the matrix updates dynamically and displays only the rules associated with the selected service. Any rule that explicitly includes the service or includes it through broader definitions such as any is included in the analysis and contributes to the displayed violation counts. These violations can then be reviewed and approved according to the organization's operational requirements. This brings us to the end of the Policy Auditor series. We've explored how to configure audits, analyze segmentation, compliance, investigate violations, and manage approved exceptions. For more information, follow us on our YouTube channel, Check Point Central. Thank you for watching.